Hello, it's Angeline here. This week's video, I am going back to the basics by showing you how to paint with Tim Holtz Distress inks. So I'm using this brand new Unity stamp called You Are Forever Beautiful, and I've stamped it on some watercolor cardstock. And I'm grabbing some Tim Holtz Distress inks here, just 3 colors because I know not all of us have all the colors. So I'm starting off by smooshing some ink onto my craft mat and spritzing it with some water before I start painting it. So what I want to do here is just to add lots of water to the ink first, and then starting off with the lightest shade here and coloring the entire flower in. So if you only have one color, don't worry, we can still create shades and gradients using the same ink. So as you can see here, I'm grabbing the less watery ink here, and it'll be more intense, the color. So this way we can add more shade to the flower without needing 2 different inks here. If you want a more intense color, just grab more ink without water and just add on to your stamped image. So I went on ahead and painted all the flowers in, and here's how it looks like. And I'm grabbing some yellow ink here, smooshing it onto my craft mat, adding some water again, and I'm painting in the background. So as you can see, you don't actually need many colors to paint a card in. All you need to have is just a few colors, and if you really must, just grab the few primary colors. And what I do here is, I don't have some oranges, so I'm grabbing the pink, adding it to my yellow, and creating some orange. So that's the fun part about the Distress inks as well. If you have just a few colors, you could always blend them together to create new ones. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!